Welcome back to EsmeraleesCreations. Today we have for you the February 2023 Bargain Bead Box. And the description reads as follows. Inspired by the iridescence of gossamer wings and the deep purple of early spring violets, this month's package features a medley of amethyst, fluorite, crackle agate, and Malaysia jade quartz. Focal points include an amethyst teardrop pendant, a pair of faceted amethyst drops, and the stainless steel dragonfly with stardust wings. Sparkling crystals and a collection of high-quality findings complete the set.
Hi guys, I hope you all doing good out there. And right off the bat, I had to tell you that this combination of these two colors are beautiful. And we're gonna start with number one.
Number one is a 7.5-inch strand of 3mm finely faceted rainbow fluorite round beads.
These are very tiny and they're different shade of purple. The lilac and violet is a very, very nice combination. And number two is?
Number two is an approximate 7-inch strand of 10mm amethyst round beads.
They are gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. They have like a clear color, more like a grayish, and it's just very nice. This will make a very nice simple bracelet if you want to, or you can just create different stuff. And number three is?
Number three is a 12-inch strand of 2.5 by 1.5mm crystal rondelle beads, rainbow iris.
Beautiful. They change colors when you turn them. They're very, very, very shiny and very, very tiny. If you compare the two, they are very, very tiny, but beautiful. Number four is?
Number four is a 24-piece strand of 8.5 by 4mm crystal drop beads, jet rainbow iris.
Nice. Look at that. The colors. It look like this color over here. These two together will be amazing for like a very elegant necklace or bracelet. And number five is?
Number five is a 15mm strand of 6 by 4mm crystal rondelle beads, violet mix.
Wow. Look how pretty. This is very, very nice. It is a good amount, and you can make a simple necklace with this. You just add, like the wire and then the clasps, and you have a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous necklace. Very nice. And number six is?
Number six is a 2-piece 13.5 by 20mm stainless steel laser cut dragonfly charm.
Aw, look how cute. The cutouts are very detailing, very nice, very pretty. I know somebody who loves this. These are very, very cute. For earrings, very nice. And number seven is?
Number seven, 23 by 31mm stainless steel and rhinestone dragonfly pendant.
Wow, look at that. So pretty, shiny. And then the little hook is like kitty corner, it's not in the center. So it's like gonna go like this. Very pretty. And it does have like a stone right there in the corner. Very pretty. Number eight is?
Number eight, 16 by 12mm platinum plated brass dragonfly toggle clasp.
Wow, look at this. This is so pretty. It's very tiny, very small, very delicate. Very, very delicate. Imagine that with this. Beautiful. It is so pretty. It's only one, but it's so pretty. Number 9 is
48 40mm 21 gauge stainless steel eye pins.
nice. Very, very nice to have. You use them for everything. Number 10.
Number 10, 6 17 by 17.5mm round with dragonfly charms.
Wow, look at these. These are so pretty. You can use them for necklace, for bracelets, like if you put them together, you link them together. Very pretty. It would be like that. So pretty. Very nice. Number 11.
Number 11 is a 14-inch strand of 6 by 4mm crystal faceted rice beads, teal.
Love it. The color is amazing. And it's shiny. The beads, the size are very pretty. It is beautiful. You can also make like a simple necklace if you want with this one. Oh, with this, it would be nice, very pretty. And you can have the clasp facing to the front. Oh, amazing, beautiful. And number 12 is?
Number 12, 2 21 by 13.5mm faceted amethyst and brass teardrop pendants.
Nice. They're beautiful. They're different. So definitely we're not going to be able to use them for earrings. If you notice, this one is darker, this one is lighter. So they will be very nice pendants for bracelets or necklaces. They're very nice. And number 13 is?
Number 13, 10 by 15mm dragonfly spacer beads.
Ooh, look at these. They look very nice, very pretty. It actually look like they're two colors, but they turn color when you move them. This one, if you notice, look a little more gold, and this one a little more silver. But they're very, very pretty. You can do earrings or necklace, anything you want. Very pretty. And number 14 is?
Number 14, 42 by 21mm amethyst and brass teardrop with swirl pendant.
And it's alive. It just flew off my hands. I'm sorry. This is so cute. Look at the design. The design is amazing. Look at the back. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Very nice. Too bad that these two are not the same. They would make a very pretty necklaces set. And number 15.
Number 15, a 13-inch strand of 8mm frosted crackle agate round beads.
Ooh, look at this. Love it. The color, the combination of colors, the variety of design in the individual beads. They are so pretty. Very nice. And this time, they give you like 3 single necklaces that you can make and make them simple. And you have the 3 of them. Very nice. So they did good. Number 16.
Number 16, a 10-gram bag of 6.5mm 5-petal bead caps.
Oh, they're so tiny. This collection have a lot of tiny things. A lot of tiny things. Very pretty. Like this is tiny and that's tiny, but well made. And the details are very nice. And this is like thick, it's not thin. It's very, very nice. Love them, very cute. Number 17.
Number 17 is a 14-inch strand of 8mm faceted round Malaysia jade beads.
Wow, beautiful. And look, this time they give you 4 necklaces. You can make a choker with this. It is super cute. And with a clasp, it will work out too. Or you can just make like this one in between. You can create. It's endless creations. Very pretty. I'm surprised because they give you a lot of beads this time. Number 18.
Number 18 is a 1 meter of 4x3mm stainless steel curved chain.
Wow. It's very lightweight. And the chain is like medium. It is pretty. Very nice. I love it. It's a decent amount like always. It depends on your design that it will, you can make 1 or 2 necklaces.
And this was everything in the February 2023 Bargain Bead Box. Being that this video is being uploaded in June, we want to wish all the dads and the moms, being both parents to their kids, a happy Father's Day. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.